Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilom ki khubor bamanta kasngi u Conrad ki sangma national president ka seng NPP ulapun naru yo ba Jason Saukmi maulong kom ukertong ke NPP sha ke election MLA arhajar arpulai banlong hajilla ya ke jingpin na jong u Conrad ki sangma yo ba Jason S maulong MLA kom ukertong NPP na ka 11 umsning constituency kan pin khlan ya ka seng NPP banyo sin sharbiang hadin ka jingrung jong u sha ka seng NPP men ha ka hnriu tarik u kalaling kod arhajar arpulai habakran ha ka jingelang u Conrad ulapan pau ya ka jingkmen ban saki ya ka ni ka sngi ha ka ba arngut kinong yalam barat ba kak umsning constituency kilawan penyaso yala di sya ka NPP bun kinong yalam jeng ki seng ba pher kila kren ben ya ka NPP ba ki kwa ban penbut nam ya ka NPP da ka ba kentho kumni kumtai henry ka NPP kan om pynsngap ya kini ki jingkynthoh namar ki deitang ki jingkren ba khlem nongrim bar ki ba syukwa pentho bria ong u Conrad ulapan tip ru ba bun kinong yalam ni ki seng san perthai ba pher kilawan ban yaso ela di ber ke NPP namar ki yo i ba ke NPP kala ban wanra ki babun ki jingkela la ka dei ha ka roi ka par ne ki kam ki bakta ya ka jing im jing nong shong shnang kani ka sarkar ba menta ka dei ka badan jingkit khli shisha na ka benta ki pat ba kala le shibun ki kam ki ba ki wei par ki seng san perthai ki la kanran la da kran ni ka kam pin bet khapun ka them me tor ne ki wei ka dei ru ka sarkar ka ba phai kman kerpang Shaki nongrim ki SHG ki longkmi ki samla da ka bawan ra ki scheme bunjat bun rukom ki ban ai jing mentoi bat kentiu ya ka yo ka kot bar ka jing imjong ki ula ong u Conrad sangma ula pen pawru bagani ka sarkar kendang beteng ban nang kentiu ya ka roi ka par ha ka jilla bar kum unong yalam u kermen scam ba ha ka election ka banwan ka seng NPP kan yo biang ban thau ya ka sarkar hapo ka jilla Meghalaya hadin ka jing job ha ki babun teli ki constituency.
There will be many people, many opposition people who will say many things about us. They will always find negative things to say. They will always bring out negative issues. They will try to bring a communal color to our politics. But I want to tell these political parties and these political leaders who throw stones at us and throw mud at us and say negative things about us, say communal things about us. I want to tell them, we are not like you. We are not people who believe in negative politics. We are not a political party that believes in criticizing. We are a positive thinking political party. And no matter what any political party may say, no matter how much communal lines they may try to play in, which I strongly condemn, as political leaders, it is our duty to take every citizen of the state forward. Nobody should be left behind. There should not be any discrimination in any way. And that is a true leader, and that is a real party that believes in taking everybody along. We don't believe in dividing the state in communal lines. We don't believe in playing negative politics. We don't believe in criticism. And let me tell you, and let me tell those political parties who try to play this negative politics against us, criticize our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister or the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad, or any of our political leaders out here. Let me tell you, no matter how much you criticize us, no matter how many stones you throw at us, it is going to be the National People's Party that will come to power in 2023, no matter what you say. It is going to be the National People's Party. So friends, every single thing they may say will only make us stronger. Every criticism against us. We worked dedicatedly for the benefit of our people and for the benefit of our state. the guiding principle has always been to keep the people's interest first, to keep the state's interest first, to ensure that we are able to take the state economically forward, to ensure that issues that were never addressed before, for whatever reason, were addressed by us. I tell people that I am a God-fearing person. I believe in the power of the Almighty. I believe that He has a purpose for everyone. And I believe that He had a purpose when He brought us to power in 2018 in the state of Meghalaya. And I always share with everybody that it is our duty to ensure that we take this responsibility very, very seriously. To ensure that the purpose for which we are here, which is to serve the people of the state, is never undermined and remains primary to all the work that we do in the state. And therefore today, because of this commitment that we have shown towards the people of our state, we are seeing that the National People's Party is growing from strength to strength. There is a reason why today the people of the state are choosing, the leaders of different political parties are selecting and are wanting to come and join the National People's Party, because they see that this party is a political party that has worked selflessly for the benefit and overall development of the people of the state. We have kept the people first. And that is why today, many political leaders have trust and faith in the national